Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by collecting evidence: a photo ID, recent mail or utility bill, and your phone with location services enabled. Open a reliable mapping app and drop a pin at your property. Write down the street name, house number or unit, and nearest intersection so you don't rely on memory. Once done, compare the map pin with what's printed on any mail or bill. This lets you see discrepancies early and gives a concrete starting point for validating the full address. Next, verify by checking physical markers. Curb numbers, mailbox labels, and building signs. Photograph them for reference. Then consult county assessor or property records online to confirm the legal street name and any suite or lot numbers, because maps sometimes show colloquial names. Use the Postal Service address lookup or carrier tools to get the correct mailing format and ZIP+4 if needed. Make sure to reconcile differences between postal and municipal names so your address will be accepted by services and deliveries. Finally, adopt the Postal Service's official formatting when filling forms or ordering deliveries. Include unit, apartment, and ZIP+4 for precision. Update government agencies, banks, and subscriptions immediately so mail and services reach you. Make a record. Photograph documents, save screenshots, and email yourself the finalized address. If you encounter conflicts between sources, call your local post office or county recorder for an authoritative ruling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.